From the MAPEI R&D laboratories comes a new and exciting skim coating compound and embossing leveler, Planiprep 4 LVT. Planiprep 4 LVT is MAPEI's latest pre-mixed, high-moisture resistant, water-based, acrylic resin-based skim coat and embossing leveler, designed for a wide variety of uses. First off, Planiprep 4 LVT is ready to use right out of the bucket. That means no mixing, dust, or pot life issues. Plus, you don't have to worry about using too much or too little water like you do when mixing traditional patching compounds. With Planiprep 4 LVT, everything is done for you. All you need to do is apply it. Planiprep 4 LVT handles easily, has a creamy consistency, and spreads smoothly, leaving a consistent finish. It dries quickly to a hard, non-porous surface that can be easily sanded for final finishing. Another advantage of Planiprep 4 LVT's formulation is that it can be used successfully on high moisture content concrete slabs with moisture values up to 12 pounds of MVER and 99% relative humidity. Planiprep 4 LVT can be used to patch and smooth most common subfloor materials before residential and commercial flooring installations. It also can be used to fill embossing on existing vinyl flooring and grout lines on existing tile before installing resilient and textile flooring on floors and walls. Planiprep 4 LVT is also an integral part of MAPEI's Shower System 4 LVT and is used to create a super smooth surface that can withstand the rigors of wet environments. For more information, visit www.mapei.com.